Okay, so I'm gonna have to do a quick run because I'm not even sure if I'm allowed to do this, but I'm doing it. So here we go. This is what the Hanson is, okay? Got the RV garage. You got this. You got this. Now, is it gonna be the same elevation? I have no idea. I'll have to find out. But I'm going in. I'm just going in. Here I go. So you come in. Here's this. Turn to the right over here. Walk-in closet, bedroom, bathroom. Wow, they really did nice upgrade in there. Real quick, show you that. Other full bedroom without the walk-in closet, but a closet. Linens. So this is the 2 bedrooms on this side with a full bath and linen. And then you come down the hall here, and then to my left is the laundry room right in here. Entry closet. I think this goes to the garage. Oh yeah, RV garage. All the good. I just have to hurry because I don't know if I'm gonna get kicked out. So we have, okay, so this one has a laundry room here. That might be the master closet there. So I'll have to double check. They put double doors on this one. Whoever picked this one out did double doors to make this a study. But I think it can be either formal dining or a study. Half bath is right here. More storage. Come over here. Open large family room area. Kitchen. Okay. All the fixings. Walk-in pantry. I'll get to the backyard to see the size. Okay, here we go. Now we come over here. Linen. Turn to my right, I'm going into the master. These people opted for a door. Come over here, here's the master. Come over here is the bathroom. Then a walk-in shower. Upgraded shower. Double sinks. Come back, here's the bath toilet. And then here is your walk-in closet. Oh my gosh, this thing's huge. Holy smokes. So this one, they opted to have the door put in, so then it's a laundry room right there. So I just wanted you guys to see this real quick. This is a really nice floor plan. I feel like one that could work for you. Covered patio, really nice. Then you come out here. So take a look. So you have this end up space in the yard here. Looks like it might have it like that. And then this goes this way. So enough for like a pool, if you want to put one in. It's not like a huge yard, but it's one of the larger lots than some of the other new builds, than Taylor Morrison and any of the others that we've previewed. But I've got a contact and we might be able to get you guys in. I'm hoping, if you're interested in this floor plan. Leaving the master. That was a linen closet there. Okay, I'm gonna go now.